Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of At Home with Pam. Pam's going to talk to us a little bit about seeds that you can plant in the fall.
Yeah, hi everybody. I have a little list. I know a lot of people live in areas that you can't really plant too many cut flowers or flowers that you're going to be using in the spring, in the fall. I live in Central California, and the temperature is, probably in the fall, winter, probably doesn't get below 40 in a really cold day, and otherwise it's in the 50s. But delphiniums is a really good seed that you can plant right now. Hollyhocks, larkspurs, bachelor buttons, lupins, even sweet peas you can start now, but you remember with a sweet pea that you soak the seed for 24 hours because there's a little hard coating around the sweet pea. Also ornamental poppies, opium poppies, foxgloves you can start now, columbine, and cinerarias, which are one of my favorite. Huh, Erin?
Yeah.
Really pretty. So yeah, that's what we're doing. This is a busy day today, getting things ready for our fall time here in Central California, and flowers that we're going to look forward to in the winter. Oh, and also pansies. Pansies and violas are something that you can plant all year round, and you don't have to worry about the frost or the too much rain. The leaves will just turn a little darker than they normally do in a pansy or a viola. Thanks, everybody.